Hello everyone, my name is Yaowei Bai. My work mainly focuses on virtualization, distributed storage, and Linux kernel. My topic is bringing SCSI support into QEMU block layer. Okay, this topic consists of these several parts. First, I'll introduce some background and then the solution to the problems and how to implement the solution. Finally, we'll see the states of current work and the future plan. Okay, let's see the background. Some clustering services like OCFS, MSCS, they share disks with concurrency control mechanisms. The concurrency control mechanisms are usually implemented via block layer protocols like SCSI. And the shared disks are supplied by distributed block storage like Ceph. Here is the architecture. We can see that the cluster service is located in QEMU guests and then access the Ceph cluster through SCSI protocol. We can see that there are SCSI initiator and SCSI target gateway in the middle of the IO path. This architecture has some problems. The first one is the long IO path. We can see that there are several components in the IO path, and these components are in nature. So it's hard to maintain. Okay, let's see our solution. We know that QEMU can access Ceph cluster directly. So the solution is simple. We just drop the SCSI part and turn the architecture into that in the right picture. That is right. Let QEMU access Ceph cluster directly. But there are still some work to do. The first one is the SCSI support in Ceph. This work has been done. It consists of compare and write and persistent reservation support. Compare and write part has been upstreamed, while the PR part is still private. The next one is SCSI support in QEMU. This part is still missed, so our work is to implement in QEMU. Let's see how to implement it. This work consists of 4 parts. They are SCSI device emulation, block layer interface, block IO path interface, and block driver interface. We'll We'll see them one by one. Okay, the first one is SCSI devices emulation. The code looks in SCSI disk, and the work is just add to emulation API, the compare and write and persistent reservation. This part is quite simple. The next one is block layer interface. The code is in the block backend. This part we reuse block EIOP right way for compare and write, and add a new block persistent reserve in out check for the PR part. The third one is block IO path interface. This one is quite similar to the upper one. We reuse block driver P right V for compare and write, and add new block driver persistent reserve in out check 3 API for PR, and it's called looks in IO.c. The last one is block driver interface. We add 4 new API. A block driver AIO compare and write for compare and write, and block driver co-persistent reserve in out track for PR. And it's called in block RBD. Okay, let's see the status of this work. Currently, it's online in our cloud services, and it is functioning normally. The patch set of the compare and write part has been sent out. You can find it through this link. Let's see the future plan of this work. The work is upstreaming in the Ceph community. We will upstream the persistent reservation support into Ceph community. And in QEMU community, we will upstream RedSim support. RedSim has been supported in Ceph community, and the persistent reservation support into QEMU. Okay, that's all. Thanks.